Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations and happy 4th of July. Today, we're going to turn a patriotic pin. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. It's nice to have you here. If you're new, thanks for tuning in. If you're an old school guy, thanks for turning in. So, I'm going to turn a pin kit. I haven't really turned that often today. I already had one blank blowout on me. That's why we're on this one. So we're going to see if we can get this pin blank to not destroy itself for me. Let me get that for you while that's going. But looks good right here. Oh, complete blowout. It happens. It's part of pin turning. Anyway, we made it over 100 subscribers, guys. It was pretty cool. I want to thank everybody that has subscribed. That means a lot to me, guys. Yeah, let's try not to blow this one out too. As you guys are seeing this video, I'll be getting back from Houston. So, I was in Houston for a week and a half. So, I don't have time because I'm flying out in 2 days. I'm going down there for work to help another branch. God, that's horrible, isn't it? God, that's a horrible sound. But yeah, I'm going down there to help another branch. Going with another technician from my branch. We're going to have fun. We probably had fun. Like I said, you guys will be seeing this after I get back. That's plenty. That is plenty. Alright, let me get this cut up. We'll get it on the lathe again. So, it's 2 tubes like this, guys. So just 2 little guys. We're drilled down about yay far, so we'll be cutting it close. Alright, I'll catch you here in a second on the lathe again. Alright guys, so this. We have our little tiny blank all done up here. And it is a tiny little blank. I don't have 2 of the bushings, so it's 1 at a time. So 2 little guys there. So yeah, if I didn't say earlier, if you guys subscribe, that helps me, lets me know what you guys are liking and what you guys aren't liking. Oh, that's really high. You guys ever see anything you want to purchase that I make, let me know. Alright, well, let's get to turning, and we'll talk after we're done. Alright guys, so I don't know about you, but I think these turned out pretty good. Really pretty looking. So let's get them matched up the way they should be. Oh, it's so hard. I don't think it's really going to make a difference. I kind of like that. Anyway, so this goes in this side. Oh, that's really far open. Anyway. Okay. How about this? I can't even get... Let's see if this works. Oh, I can get my hand out of there. Probably not the best thing to do, but that's flush. Still want to get close. What do you guys think? You know what? We'll go with that. I don't know if that's right, but we're going with it. It looks like it lines up pretty well. Oh, man. This little guy goes on the end, which I think is weird, but man. Well, I guess not, because then, alright, that makes sense. Alright. Like I said, I haven't really made these very often. I think I've made one. And it turned out pretty cool. And if something bad goes happen, you gotta adapt and overcome. And I was able to salvage that blank. Oh, that actually looks really pretty together. I was kind of worried about the gold and the red, white, and blue. I think it works. I actually think it works really well together, surprisingly. That's in. That's in. That's in. That's in. Whoop. Hey. Wow. Okay. What do you know what to slide on? Oh, there we go. I'm actually kind of liking that. What do you guys think? Kind of like that. Alright guys, this turned out great. I'm not a huge fan of gold, but I'd actually use this. This is really cool looking. The red, white, and blue with the gold. Yeah, it's pretty patriotic. It's pretty cool looking. Yeah, So yeah, if you guys are new and you liked what you saw, subscribe. If you like what you saw, also give me a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, hit the bell notification up top. Thanks so much again for helping me hit 100 subscribers on the channel. We did it. It's not just a me thing, it's a we thing. And I do appreciate everybody that subscribed. So the next milestone would be 1,000 subscribers for live streaming, because I would like to live stream in here for you guys. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, so thank you very much, and I will catch you guys next time. See you then.